Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to view transactions Alibaba application on computer. So how to view transactions Alibaba application on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options. Tap this profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then tap the account menu. Many menu options will appear like this. Tap the My Transactions menu. Here is your transaction menu. Here you can see all your transactions in the Alibaba application. Its function is to monitor and manage user transactions, including purchase history, order status, payments, shipping, and refunds or claims if necessary. So that's it, tutorial how to view transactions Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.